Just close your eyes. Know the peace within.
First, know the infinity of your original reality. Only then can you remain free from the unreal, finite duality. First, know the infinity of the non-dual reality. Only then can you remain free from the unreal, finite duality. First, know the infinity of your original state beyond space. Only then can you remain free from the finite unreality of the perceived duality. First, know the beginningless infinity of your original reality. Only then can you remain free from the finite unreal duality which begins and ends. First, know the endless infinity of your original reality beyond space. Only then can you remain free from the unreal finite duality which begins and ends. First, know the infinity of the stillness beyond words. Only then can you remain free from the unreal finite words which are not you. First, know the infinity of your original reality beyond objects. Only then can you remain free from the unreality of the finite objects that appear and disappear in space. First, know the infinity of your original reality beyond forms. Only then can you remain free from the unreality of the finite forms that appear in space. First, know the infinity of your original state beyond time. Only then can you remain free from the unreal finite time which is never you. First, know the infinity of your original state beyond moments. Only then can you remain free from the unreal finite movements in space. First, know the infinity of your original state beyond changes. Only then can you remain free from the unreal finite movements in space. First, know the infinity of your eternity beyond birth and death. Only then can you remain free from the unreal, finite, birth happening and death happening in space. First, know the infinity of your original state beyond dream. Only then can you remain free from the unreality of the finite dream that appears and disappears. Your original state is infinite. Whatever observed in space or finite. Your original state is infinite beyond space. Whatever observed or finite objects in space. Right now, you are the infinite reality and you only observe the finite duality in space. Why do you get affected by the finite happenings, finite objects, finite movements, finite appearances and disappearances, which are not you, which are never you? Because you are yet to know your infinity. And where your infinity is? Beyond space. Why we call this as infinity? Because it has no beginning and no ending. When your original state is infinite with no beginning and no ending, why do you get trapped by the finite duality show, which has a beginning and which has an ending? You are prior to all beginnings and all endings in space. You are already beyond space. By not knowing that you are already beyond space, by not knowing the infinity of your original reality, you fall a prey to the observed duality, which is finite, which appears and disappears, which has a beginning and an ending, which is totally unreal. Why I keep on reminding about your original state, where you are already? Because by not knowing the infinite richness of your original state, beyond birth and death, beyond appearances and disappearances, you go on identify each and every frame of the waking state to be yourself and to be real, to be yourself and to be real. Why? Yourself is beyond space. Only the reflections are in space. But you hold on to the reflections to be real. Why? Because you are yet to know what yourself is, you are yet to know what your consciousness is, you are yet to know the infinite richness of your consciousness beyond space, beyond objects, beyond appearances and disappearances, beyond dream, beyond duality, beyond manifestation. See how ignorant you are by holding on to the duality, which is finite, which appears and disappears, which is never real, to be the only reality. Why do you accept the duality to be the only reality? Why do you accept the form to be yourself and the form to be the only reality? Because you are still sleeping at the finite form level, at the finite identification level, at the finite object level, at the finite movement level, at the finite appearance level, at the finite time level, at the finite space level. Space itself is finite only. You are beyond space. Space begins in your consciousness and ends up in your consciousness. And your consciousness is prior to space. See, you are yet to know the immense greatness of your infinite richness, of your beginningless richness, of your endless richness, inwardly beyond space, inwardly prior to space. I keep on reminding you that you are already beyond space. I keep on reminding you that you only observe. I keep on reminding you to settle inwardly where you are already, so that you cannot remain trapped by the finite show which is never you. First, get to know the reality about yourself. Only by knowing the reality about your consciousness, you get to know the unreality of the duality. Till then, you give reality only to the observed duality. The only possibility is to know your original reality. And where is your original reality? Your original reality is never in space. Your original reality is never finite. Your original reality is neither the appearance nor the disappearance. Your original reality is neither moving nor changing. Your original reality is beyond space, it is infinite, and it is beginningless, endless. It is beyond object, beyond movement, beyond form, beyond time, beyond space. So till you know your greatness beyond space, till you know the infinity of your original reality, you remain asleep, asleep, asleep. By accepting the duality which is finite and which begins and ends, which appears and disappears, to be the only reality. I am uprooting the ignorance that you are the finite form, and I am helping you to know your infinity at the conscious level, at the non-dual level. The only possibility for you to know your infinity, to know your original reality, is knowing the stillness inwardly. That's why here I help you to close your eyes and know the infinity beyond limitations, beyond boundaries, beyond beginning, beyond ending, beyond space, beyond duality, beyond dream, beyond objects, beyond words, beyond identifications, beyond time and space. Just now you know your beyondness in stillness, and this stillness is infinite. Only in stillness your consciousness knows its infinity. Your consciousness knows its infinity only in stillness. By not knowing the stillness, your consciousness accepts itself to be a tiny form with a limited shape and design. Only in stillness, beyond words, beyond movement, your consciousness is conscious of itself, and your consciousness gets to know its infinity. By not knowing the richness of the infinity of your stillness, your consciousness accepts itself to be a tiny form with a limited shape and design, to be itself. So the infinite consciousness unknowingly accepts the finite form to be itself. Why? Because your consciousness is yet to know that it is already beyond space. The form is happening at an unexplainable speed by the elements in space. The form happens just now in space. And your consciousness is beyond space. Your consciousness is light beyond space, out of which a finite form appears in space. By not knowing that your consciousness is already beyond space, unknowingly it is accepting itself to be the tiny form. Till your consciousness knows its unmoving conscious state in stillness, it goes on accept the entire duality is real, Every form is real, every object is real, every movement is real, every happening is real. So by giving reality constantly from the beginning of the waking state till sleep happens, your consciousness totally remains ignorant about itself. Your consciousness does not know where it is. That's why it is accepting the form in space to be itself. Whereas your consciousness is already prior to form, prior to space. So till your consciousness knows its beyondness prior to form, prior to space, in stillness, it accepts the duality to be the only reality. Now tell me, is it not essential to know the stillness beyond words, to know the stillness beyond movements, to know the stillness beyond appearances and disappearances? Is it not essential to know your conscious state beyond space? Is it not essential to know the infinite richness of the unmoving stillness inwardly? And your consciousness is already and ever in the source of awareness. See how deeply your consciousness is remaining ignorant about itself. It does not know what it is. It is accepting itself to be a person. By accepting itself to be a person, it accepts the entire dream happening to be real. And your consciousness is beyond space, only its reflections are in space. See the difference between beyond space and in space. Your consciousness is beyond space, and every object happens in space, and every form happens in space. Entire duality happens in space. Till your consciousness knows that it is already beyond space, till your consciousness knows that it is already beyond movements, it accepts that duality perceived to be the only reality. So your consciousness remains ignorant about itself. That's why consciousness realizing its original state is mandatory and most essential. That's why self-realization is most important. Your consciousness realizing that it is already the non-dual is most essential. Your consciousness realizing that it is never born is most essential. Your consciousness realizing that it cannot die is most essential. When your consciousness comes to know about its infinite richness, only when it settles inwardly. Why your consciousness is unable to settle inwardly? Because still it is accepting itself to be the form and to be the words. Through constant identification at the form level, through constant usage of words, your consciousness does not know that it is already beyond space. Your consciousness does not know its unmoving state. Your consciousness does not know that it is unchanging and ever present. Your consciousness is already infinite, non-dual. And every object form happens in space. Every moment is finite, that's why it appears and disappears. Every happening is finite, that's why it appears and disappears. Every form is finite form only, that's why it appears and disappears. And every object is finite object only, that's why it appears and disappears. Whereas infinity does not appear to disappear. Infinity is endless beyond appearances and disappearances. You come to know your infinity only by settling inwardly in stillness where you are already. Knowing is infinite, knowing is beginningless, knowing is endless, knowing is at the non-dual level. Knowledge is finite, knowledge has a beginning, knowledge has an ending. Knowledge is full of sound and words. Knowledge is full of movements, knowing is beyond movement. Knowledge is about the object, knowing is beyond the object. By knowing the infinity, you remain relieved from the finite duality. By knowing the infinity, you remain wakeful and you remain relieved from the dreamy duality. Know your infinity, know the infinity of your original state beyond words. Only then the finite duality cannot affect you. Till then, the finite duality affects you as if everything is real. Better settle inwardly in stillness beyond words and get to know your infinity and get to know the unmoving richness beyond duality. Just now with eyes closed, you know the stillness, and this stillness cannot be described. It cannot be explained because it's beyond words. It has no beginning and no ending. That's why it is called as infinite. Settle in this infinity of the stillness inwardly beyond words and stabilize in this infinity of the stillness beyond words and get to know the infinity of the wakefulness inwardly beyond words and wake up totally to realize your unborn infinity beyond duality and know your deathless reality and know the infinity of your deathless reality beyond words, beyond duality. Once the richness of the infinity is known, the finite dream has no value at all. What value can you give to a dream which appears and disappears, which begins and ends? What value can you give to a dream? Yeah, there is not even an iota of reality. What value can you give to that which appears and disappears at an unexplainable speed? What value can be given when the appearance and disappearance itself is at an unexplainable speed? And you go on give value to the duality show which appears and disappears at an unexplainable speed, in no time, in no second. At a terrific speed, everything appears and disappears. Where? In your consciousness. And your consciousness is unmoving and everything moves out of your consciousness. And your focus is only towards the movement of the duality show, as you are yet to know what your consciousness is and where your consciousness is. I tell you, once you know the richness of your conscious state inwardly in this endless stillness, automatically you remain wakeful, and at any time you can wake up totally to realize your unborn infinite reality. Then only can you remain free from the finite dreamy duality. Know the conscious state inwardly and know the infinite richness inwardly and know your beyondness prior to space and know your greatness beyond birth and death, for which you need to remain wakeful inwardly so that you can wake up totally to realize that you are already that and always that. That means the infinite eternity or the infinite supreme truth, the infinite ultimate truth, the infinite absolute wholeness. Know your infinity prior to the dreamy duality. Settle in this stillness which is infinite and remain relieved from the finite dreamy show which is never you. In the infinite vast ocean of the stillness, the finite dreamy objects disappear, the finite dreamy forms disappear, the finite dreamy appearances disappear. So only by settling in stillness you remain relieved from the dream which is finite and which has no value at all. Once you value yourself, once you know the value of your consciousness, you cannot fall a prey to the finite dream which is never you. Till you come to know the infinite richness, you give importance only to the finite dreamy show and get trapped by the finite dreamy show, and you remain depressed and frustrated, and you are unable to know your original infinite reality. I am here exclusively to wake up your consciousness to realize its ultimate infinite eternity beyond the finite dreamy duality. Settle inwardly in the infinity of the stillness endlessly and wake up totally to realize that you are the ultimate truth, that you are the supreme truth, that you are the only eternal truth, which is infinite and endless. Wake up and know. Enough of sleeping. Wake up and know. Sleep is finite, wakefulness is infinite. Once you abide in stillness and remain wakeful, you come to know the infinity of your original state. By knowing the infinity beyond duality, automatically the finite duality disappears. You come to know that you only prevail, and you come to know that you only observe only at the infinite level. At the finite form level, you cannot know what you are originally, where you are originally. Only at the infinite level you know your original reality beyond birth and death. So first get to know the infinity of your original reality. Only then can you remain free from the perceived finite dreamy duality.